just simply enjoy life to the fullest.
Hello everyone, good morning and welcome you all back to my channel. This is Djmahaneet and you're watching my channel Mahaneet. And today is a special day as we ride to Om Parvath, the sacred Om Parvath in the Himalayan regions in Uttarkand. And from there we're going to ride back downwards towards Darchula. It's going to be a pretty much straight highway ride. Not probably initial will have a bit of off-roading. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Stay tuned as we raid the Himalayas once again.
Just simply enjoy life to the fullest.
Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. If you do like the video, give me a thumbs up and keep watching. This is going to Om Parvath. Just take a quick photo and we are off from here.
That is to commit oneself, to give oneself up, and that's quite mad. So we come to the strange conclusion that in madness lies talent.
Karnataka.
Just simply enjoy life to the fullest.
Well, after one adventurous ride through some treacherous off-roading and water crossings, we managed to reach Darchula late evening, and we decided to take a stroll into Nepal, as Darchula is spread over India and Nepal, divided by a river. And here's a little adventure on the same. I hope you like this entire vlog of mine. If you do so, give me a thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button to keep following all my videos, and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Show me some love, and of course, keep watching for more exciting episodes coming up in this Uttarkand ride of ours, exploring the Himalayas.
That's civilization, no?
Yeah, we're walking through the market, and across the border is Nepal. That's the bridge we're going to cross into Nepal. This is the market. So this is Darchula town, and we are walking towards another country. It's the first time experience for me. So that is the Nepal border, where we're going to cross into. That side is India and this is Nepal. That is India and we are in Nepal.